Hello my friend, welcome to Carolina's show. Today we are going to talk about the Amazon rainforest. The purpose of this video is explore the Amazon tropic level. This is an example. The Amazon region is a big place that spans in South America with unique plants and have dense vegetation with tall and leafy trees that give sunlight to the ground. The Amazon rainforest have different animals and unique ecosystems. The Amazon climate is warm and humid, essential for jungle mountain, but also have high temperatures in different spots and frequency rainfall. We know that the tropic levels are the relationship between organisms that feed the others in a food chain. There are producers, consumers, decomposers, and the other tropic levels, such as omnivores, carnivores, and heterotrophs. There are 4 tropic levels based on energy for to live, and predators. Fears. Producers are organisms that make their own food, abound in this place, and they are wonderful. Food source for energy, for example, fruits are produced by plants that are eaten by both humans and animals. Do you like fruits? Bananas, coconuts, cocoa, maracuya, acai, and orange are some fruits that you can take from Amazonas. Second, organisms that feed exclusively on growers. Leaf-cutter ants are an example. They're working all time together to cut leaves and bring them back to their colonies for consumption. Also, the manatees are an example that feed to water lettuce in the Amazon River. Third, secondary consumers, organisms that feed on primary consumers, such as many tropical bird species, for example, macaws, chickens, Amazon kingfishers, black-collared cow, and other aerial species. Feed on small insects, fruits, and nuts, while some birds may even eat eggs of other species. The Goliath bird eater is a large species of spider that feeds on smaller birds, mice, and other primary consumers after poisoning them with its powerful venom. 4. Tertiary consumers, organisms that feed on primary and secondary consumers. 5. The predators. The jaguar is the top predator of the Amazon rainforest, feeding on capybaras, deer, and tapirs on land. The jaguar also swims very well and hunts fish, turtles, or even other tertiary consumers. The law of the ecological 10% is the law that states that organisms can only capture approximately 10% of the energy of the level. At the next higher tropic level of the pyramid of numbers, energy transfer between tropic levels occurs when one organism consumes another and obtains the energy-rich molecules from its prey body. The Amazon is in danger. Deforestation and logging, illegal hunting, agricultural expansion, and the extensive construction of roads to connect with regions that were previously impossible to reach. Really, we need help the Amazon rainforest. The last July in 2023, I visited the Future Museum in Dubai. Really, I was surprised to look how their thing in the Amazon rainforest place. Really, it's very important place for the world because it's the lung of the world. They rely on the desert make that their things in the importance of the Amazon for the world. For that now, I love so much my place where I live in South America. And I think in the Amazon hold a beautiful rainforest place that need help and keep protection because really is very important to survive in the world. For the chapter 2. Thanks to Google for being my source of information and all the people who research and share the studies, tests, and photographs on the internet. So it is possible to learn and do school homework. Bye bye, see you later.